New to golf? Read this proven advice. Golf is an interesting and exciting sport that can be as fun to play as it is to watch. It isn't easy, however, and everyone from the beginner to the pro can benefit from the following tips and tricks. Just by trying one of these tricks, you may learn something you didn't know before. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is that it is good to know that there will always be somebody better than you. This is important because you do not want to be dealt a crushing mental blow if you are competing and find yourself outmatched. Golf is a mental game that requires much preparation. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to consider taking lessons. This may benefit you greatly because a good teacher will be able to spot ways that you can improve your game and point out things that you might not have realized on your own. There is always room to improve and grow. It is helpful to know that some days your game will be great, and other days it will be terrible. This is inevitable, and if you let yourself be bothered by a bad golf day, then you might not be motivated to practice and continue playing the sport. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you are gripping the club correctly. This is incredibly important because it is one of the easiest problems to fix, if your shot is suffering. Make sure that you match up your grip on the club with how your hands hang naturally at your side. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that your golf balls are clean before using them when playing on the course. Any amount of dirt on a ball will significantly change its speed and trajectory after hitting it. Golf balls are designed to perform their best when clean. Focus on how you will proceed with the next shot. Don't let other players or even your own good or bad shots affect the next one you take. Dwelling on past errors will just cause you to make more errors, so just focus on the present. A little research can go a long way and you might see a real improvement in your game and technique by giving the previous tips a try. In the end, though, the best thing you can do is go out there and take the sport seriously while still having a great time. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.